Imagine a home that's not just built for you, but built to blow your mind. A home that's sleek, sustainable, and ready to move into in just days, not years. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the 10 most incredible prefab homes of all time. From futuristic micro homes to sprawling modular mansions, these homes are redefining what it means to live in style. Whether you're a minimalist, a luxury lover, or just someone who loves cutting-edge design, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Micro House by HouseMe, a self-proclaimed advanced micro home that's as futuristic as it gets. This 120 square foot prefab home arrives 100% furnished and ready to go, and get this, it can be set up in 60 minutes or less. Yes, you heard that right. 1 hour, and you're living in the future. The exterior? Think sleek white panels, bold blue accents, and massive windows that let in all the natural light. And here's the kicker, it doesn't even need a foundation. The one I saw was sitting on a gravel pad, proving that this home can go anywhere. Inside, it's split into 3 sections, a compact kitchenette, a living room with a fold-up bed, perfect for saving space, and a surprisingly spacious bathroom. Now, I know what you're thinking. 120 square feet? Really? But here's the thing. This home isn't designed for full-time living. It's perfect for the hospitality industry, vacation spots, or even a backyard office. And at $335,000, it's a bold statement in modern living. But if you're craving more space, don't worry. We've got you covered. Let's move on to something bigger. From one extreme to the other, our number 9 spot goes to the biggest prefab home I've seen this year. A jaw-dropping 800 square foot masterpiece by Intexture Architecture. Built in a factory in Houston, this home was delivered in 4 massive modules and assembled on site. But here's what makes it truly unique. It's built 8 feet off the ground. Why? Because it's located on a floodplain, and this design meets all the local requirements. Talk about thinking outside the box, or in this case, above it. The exterior is a mix of metal siding and floor-to-ceiling windows, giving it a modern industrial vibe that stands out in any neighborhood. Inside, it's split into 2 sections connected by a walkway. One side features a massive kitchen with an island big enough to host a snack buffet, a dining area, a living room, and a half bath. The other side, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an office. The master bedroom is the real showstopper, with its own private living space and a luxurious ensuite. This is a custom build, but Intexture offers standard models if you're looking for something similar. Either way, this home is proof that prefab doesn't mean compromising on size or style. Coming in at number 8 is the Fjord by Supreme Homes, a 680 square foot Nordic-inspired beauty that completely caught me off guard. Located in New Brunswick, this 1-bedroom, 1-bath home is a masterclass in design and functionality. The exterior features vertical siding and a steep roof pitch that gives it that classic Scandinavian look. But here's the crazy part. It's 40 feet long and ships in one piece. That's right, no assembly required. Inside, the living room takes center stage, with access to the kitchen and bathroom. The bedroom is tucked away at the back, offering privacy and tranquility. But what really sets this home apart are the details. The fireplace, the tile in the shower, and the abundance of storage. It's cozy, stylish, and perfect for anyone who loves the Nordic aesthetic. At number 7, we have the Saturna 7 by Hewing Haus, a 700 square foot prefab home that's as functional as it is beautiful. Located in Abbotsford, BC, this model is available for tours and even overnight stays, so you can experience what it's like to live in one. The standout features? A covered porch, a wood interior, and an open floor plan that makes the space feel larger than it is. With 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a spacious living room that flows into the kitchen, this home is perfect for small families or couples. The larger bedroom has a massive window and a sliding glass door that leads to the porch, making it the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee. And at $340,000 CAD, it's a steal for the quality and craftsmanship. Next up at number 6 is the Lloyoll by PrefabPads, a 450 square foot cottage-style home that's perfect for anyone who loves a cozy vibe. With dimensions of 12 feet wide by 38 feet long, this 1-bedroom, 1-bath home is compact but packed with charm. The exterior features a black metal roof and vertical siding, giving it a modern yet rustic look. Inside, you'll find a living room, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, with a loft above the bathroom for extra storage or sleeping space. The interior is flooded with natural light, thanks to big windows, skylights, and glass doors. And at $149,500, it's an affordable option for anyone looking to downsize or add a guest house to their property. At number 5, we have the Hollow by Drop Structures, a 240 square foot studio loft that's perfect for weekend getaways or creative spaces. This tiny home is all about style and functionality, with a black exterior, wood accents, and a covered porch that gives it serious curb appeal. Inside, it's a studio layout with a loft for sleeping, a small kitchenette, and a bathroom at the back. It's not designed for full-time living, but it's perfect for short-term stays or as a backyard office. And at $97,500, it's an affordable way to add some extra space to your life. Taking the number 4 spot is the M6 by Masaya Homes, a 600 square foot prefab home that's as sustainable as it is stylish. What makes this home truly unique? It's built from reforested teak wood grown in Nicaragua. The M6 is fully assembled in Nicaragua, disassembled, shipped in a container, and then reassembled on site. It's a game changer for eco-conscious buyers who want a home that's as kind to the planet as it is beautiful. The M6 starts at $359,000, and while the one I saw was being used as an office, it's easy to imagine it as a stunning full-time residence. At number 3, we have the Mod 2 by Modular, a 504 square foot steel frame home that's as versatile as it is stylish. With 2 bedrooms, a loft, and an open concept living area, this home is perfect for small families or couples. The exterior features black-on-black metal siding, giving it a sleek, modern look. Inside, the bedrooms are at either end of the home, with the living room and kitchen in the middle. The loft is accessible from one of the bedrooms, making it perfect for storage or an extra living space. At $174,000 CAD, the Mod 2 is a great option for anyone looking for a modern, low-maintenance home. Coming in at number 2 is the Custom by lloyoll Prefab, a stunning home located on a cliff overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. This home is part of lloyoll's Skull series, featuring Corten steel siding that gives it a rugged, industrial look. The interior is just as impressive, with high ceilings, wood accents, and attention to detail that's second to none. This custom build includes a main house and a guest house, making it perfect for large families or those who love to entertain. While this is a custom build, lloyoll Prefab offers standard models that are just as stunning. Trust me, this is a brand you'll want to keep an eye on. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Cabana 500 by Irontown Modular, a 495 square foot home that's as versatile as it is stylish. With a shed roof, covered porch, and black window trim, this home is a real head-turner. Inside, you'll find a living room, galley kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The folding glass doors open up the living space to the porch, creating the perfect indoor-outdoor living experience. At $124,000, the Cabana 500 is an affordable option for anyone looking for a vacation home, ADU, or primary residence. It's the perfect blend of style, functionality, and value. And there you have it, 10 incredible prefab homes that will blow your mind. From futuristic micro homes to sprawling modular mansions, these homes prove that prefab is the future of living. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.